Hi, I'm Brendan, and this is my intro video for Ed Startup 101. So, I found this course through Audrey Waters' intro post, and I too have struggled in traditional academic environments, and for a long time I've been interested in helping others to learn and figuring out how to learn myself. And this sort of intersection between psychology and just dialogue and conversations and actual learning. And I'm especially interested in how learning can affect how people's lives play out. So, I mean, it's one thing to learn like some kind of skills or facts or something, but there's a whole other aspect to learning, which is actually learning about life and developing a worldview and coming to understand the nature of the world in different ways and coming to understand how other people view the world. And I'm interested in all of those things, not just in terms of like endless conversation or something, but in terms of how does this lead to the way people's lives play out. So I come from a background of growing up with my dad and stepdad being college professors who complained a lot about their own students not learning very effectively, and that influenced me to really see this major dysfunction. So it's like I might have gone through college and become a professor, hypothetically, but for a whole bunch of reasons, in addition to my own challenges working within traditional academic environments, I also saw a good reason not to even pursue that as a path. And certainly now with YouTube and so on, there's the prospect of taking another path. But even before YouTube, I had this concept that it's like some people create television shows, and a lot of times things can be dramatized and be of more interest to people than if it's just like in a lecture format. So I started an ed tech startup in 2010 that since then has become this monumentally problematic life situation for me, and so I'm at risk of being evicted. I'm really struggling to kind of figure out a path forward, and a lot of people in my life are saying just make websites for people, just get a job at Walmart, and I'm really determined to work in helping other people learn. But it's like how to do that without credentials, and even if I had credentials, there's a whole prospect of establishing a practice, a business model, and I've just been really torn on how to proceed with that. And so I've developed this concept called screenstorming that's kind of a work in progress, but it's based on basically putting the camera on myself and kind of following the story of kind of what's playing out in life for me and what has played out. And basically the idea is to apply certain story and narrative principles to analyzing life and helping people to think through decisions and sort of the scenes in all of our lives. So I'll leave it at that.